Which one is a stative verb? English grammar quiz. Choose the state verb. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Is it A, run, B, think, C, jump, or D, play? The correct answer is B, think. Is it A, want, B, eat, C, drink, or D, cook? The correct answer is A, want. Is it A, dance, B, run, C, swim, or D, see? The correct answer is D, see. Is it A, have, B, give, C, talk, or D, drive? The correct answer is A, have. Is it A, believe, B, shout, C, kick, or D, throw? The correct answer is A, believe. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more quizzes.